Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is coloring Easter eggs with Mia. So let's get started. So I picked up this Play with Color. It has 88 stickers, 16 egg stands. It comes with a lot. I have 6 eggs that I'm boiling.
Today we're gonna make Easter eggs.
Woohoo!
This is what you can make. You can make whatever one you like. And here's the front. And I got my cheesy tips with me. And on one of my other videos, I showed you my cheesy tips. I think it was my cookie video.
Let's open the box.
Okay.
If you need help, tell me.
So it's also supposed to go this way.
Here, right here. Wait a minute. I'll help you. It's really glued, huh? Hey, look at that.
Okay, we're opening it.
Oh, wait a minute. Because we can use the back of it to put the eggs. And you can take the stuff out.
Okay, we have these prints.
Ooh, those are pretty.
And we also have these stickers.
What a lot of stickers, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa, those are pretty.
There's supposed to be a lot. And we have another Easter egg thing.
Oh, we can put them on there. Wow.
And more of these. Same print. But except this one has pink, not yellow. And if you don't know, yellow is a happy kind of paint. Right?
Whoa.
I think this is what you paint on.
We will figure out what we have to do with all that.
I'm just going to leave right here just in case it's windy.
Wow,
We
glitter.
have some glitter here. Some glitter.
Wow.
That's how you make it sparkly. Oh, what's this?
Looks like a plastic baggie.
So here's got
Okay,
this
wait a minute. Okay.
plastic bag. Here's a plastic bag. Yeah.
Oh, gloves. You know
Here's some
why?
gloves. There's the gloves.
I think that's what these are,
And-
gloves.
Wait. I was trying to get something.
Okay.
What's this? Oh, these are the colors.
Yes.
We're gonna put them first. That way.
Okay.
So, I
Let's
think
follow the instructions. There's 88 stickers.
ooh, that's a lot of stickers.
These are egg stands. And these are the liquid dye pouches.
What?
3 small bags.
Oh, these are bags.
Where's the glitter? The glitter. 2 drying trays and 6 pairs of gloves.
6
Okay,
pairs.
what we have to do is cut the corner of the pouch of the coloring. Place egg in a bag.
I'll put on my gloves.
Yeah, you put your gloves on.
I don't realize there was 2 stuck together.
Yeah.
I was gonna.
You need one for each hand. Okay, can you get it? Oh, wrong way.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. There's the thumb.
But it's kind of big for me.
That's okay. We'll make it fit.
There
Right?
you go. I guess that's
Here,
good.
let's put this one on.
It's okay if it doesn't fit.
There. Let me get the scissors. And I'm going to get the eggs, so hold on.
Already use my buddy. Bing.
All right, we have the eggs. Don't touch them, they're hot. Okay.
Yummy.
Okay.
Can I put my tongue on the egg?
Okay, let me put some so we don't get the counter dirty.
Okay, I got a seat. Nice and fluffy.
What color do you want first?
I want to do purple.
Purple.
I
Oh,
mean yellow.
yellow? Okay. Let me cut them.
That's what color. I want it to make it nice yellow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna do red instead.
Red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you cut it both? Right.
Okay, we need the bag. So hold the bag.
Okay.
Let me drop the egg in it.
Oh, you can do it. It's on.
So you put the egg in the bag. Here you go. Hold the
I
bag.
just cut a knot, didn't you?
It's the ice cubes.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, ice cube.
Now I'm going to cut the corner of the pouch like it says.
Yes.
I'll put a couple of drops.
Oh.
Now shake it.
I can't shake it.
Okay, I will shake it. Oops, see, I got red on me.
That's because you're not wearing gloves.
Whoa, I know, I should have put them on. Look at that. Look at how beautiful.
That looks like a pink. It's
It
a pink.
does.
It's pink.
And you know what we're going to do? Put it right there to dry. Okay. Whoop.
Whoosh. Yep, it's pink. Look, it's starting out like pink. It's pink. I was like,
Yeah.
that way, when you
Let's
have
see that
these
right
eggs, it's not wet. It's pink.
Okay, what
So
other
if you
color?
want a pink egg, just use the wet. Because then, when it dries, it's going to be pink.
Perfect. You're
And
so
by the
smart.
way, pink is my favorite color.
Okay, here's another bag.
That's
You
a
want to
color.
use yellow?
I think I want blue.
Blue? What do I always say about blue? Blue, blue, I love you.
It's not that. I just like it. I like how bright
I
it is.
love blue too.
It's a teal.
Okay,
It's a teal. It's okay.
okay.
I forgot
We'll drop this egg in.
it. You
Hold-
can do it.
Okay, hold it open for me so I can put the color in.
Nope.
Nope, okay. I will put some color in. Shake, shake, shake.
Is it blue?
Yeah, look at that blue.
Oh, that's a pretty blue.
Whoa, this is going to be a pretty blue.
It's a teal blue.
Yeah.
Let's
Rub it all around.
It's coming out teal. I knew
Yeah.
it. It was teal or blue.
We'll put it right there to
Oh.
dry.
I found the teal too.
Okay, we'll leave that there. What other color now?
And the blue is like water and the white is like fire.
Yeah.
I want some orange.
Orange? Alrighty.
That's what I want.
Okay, here's a bag. I'll stick the egg in it. I'll cut the tip off. Put some color in. Shake, shake, shake. Whoa. This is going to be so cool, huh?
And orange.
Yeah, look at that. Rub it around. You like them gloves, huh?
They're fine.
Yeah. Okay, we'll put this right there.
Sound it. Isn't it sound weird?
Okay, what other color do you want now?
I want some blue.
Alrighty.
Wait, this is like a darker blue.
This is a darker blue, so we'll put it in this bag. Put
The
this
blue
egg.
bag, right?
Yeah. Rub it around. Ooh, look at that. Look how beautiful.
Purple!
Whoa.
It's purple, not
Yeah.
blue. Purple.
Wow.
You just need a dark blue and then I'll make purple.
Okay, what other color do you
Because
want?
light blue and dark blue make purple.
What other color do you want now? You got green and yellow.
And green.
All right. Green, green, me is the queen.
I'm an angel, not a queen.
I know you're an angel. All right, we'll put it in here. Say, oh no, my hands are getting all kind of color, huh? Good thing you got the gloves on.
But it's still hot.
You want to take them off?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's so
Got it?
hot in
Okay.
here. Now it's getting hot in my hands.
Look at how gorgeous. Wow. That one came out beautiful. How about we take this color
Yes. Yes.
and mix it with this color.
What does
And
it
take
make?
this color. I don't know. We'll find out.
I hope it doesn't make black.
Nah, I don't think so.
That's the last thing.
Oh, a real dark. Look at that. It's marbleized. Wow.
Wait, was that our purple one?
And my hands are all full of color.
Was that the purple one?
All the colors mixed together.
But was that the purple one?
No, this is the purple one. Okay.
I really want my purple one.
There.
I'm gonna just have a cheesy chip.
You go have a cheesy chip. Look at how beautiful Mia's Easter eggs came out.
Are they dry yet?
They're not dry yet.
I'll help them.
Whoa, that'll really help them.
Thanks a lot. We're gonna make a part 2 because when when these eggs are dry. But let's just say bye for now.
Okay.
Hi, we are gonna finish the Easter eggs. And if you didn't watch part 1, it's gonna say the video right when we make the picture. And here's the stickers that we're gonna put on the Easter eggs. And we colored them on part 1. So time to get started. First, I am gonna do this one. Now, I'm gonna, ooh, that's cold. I'm gonna start on the red. And he's gonna be the front.
That looks beautiful.
It's kind of still wet, but that's still
It's because
okay.
it's cold.
This time I'm gonna do a carrot. Then the other one on that.
I will put it right here for now.
Here's a little carrot next to the bunny. Oh, oops. Oopsies. There we go.
Beautiful. Good job.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do a flower. That means a on it. It looks red, but it's actually pink. And I just want to put a pink flower. It's so great. Okay, I'm gonna get a tortoise. I know why there's a tortoise. Hey, why do you turn it? Ah! Can you turn it back, Maxie? It's hard for me. I don't get it.
There.
Okay, here's a tortoise.
Beautiful.
Now I'm gonna put this on it. Wait,
Do you want it on a different egg or all this?
on a different.
Okay.
I need this. I want on the purple.
The purple? Alrighty.
That one is
There you
on the
go.
front. Okay.
Beautiful.
Now, get this Easter bunny right here. Now I'm gonna get another Easter bunny. I have a different one. Now I'm just gonna put a little bow. And it's a green coloring crayon. It's like a color crayon, I don't know what it is. Okay. Okay. I don't know what this is right here. So don't ask me. I don't know. And now I'm gonna get this blue one. Okay. It's a little paint jar. Happy Easter, everybody. See you next video. Bye. Oh, cheesy chips and stockings coming out. Happy Easter.
Whoa!
Hey, no, leave the camera up there and then end it.